everyone. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Abdullah Al Siam and I'm currently studying at the University of Dhaka. I'm pursuing a BA degree in French language and culture. I was born and brought up in Kumilla, a place that shaped who I am. I'm 20 years old. I completed my SSC from Kumilla Jila School and right now I'm living in Jatrabari, Dhaka, right in the middle of chaos, stories and endless inspiration. I'm someone who believes that every moment has a story, and that's where my love for photography comes from. For me, photography isn't just about clicking pictures. It's about freezing emotions, capturing silence and telling stories without words. And yes, I'm working toward a dream, building my own photography agency step by step, frame by frame. I love doing photography. They have taught me how powerful simple storytelling can be, and that's something I bring into everything I do. I also love networking, meeting new people and managing events. I enjoy creating connections, building communities and turning ideas into experiences. This journey from Kumilla to Dhaka, from classrooms to creative spaces, is shaping how I am and who I aspire to become. Thank you everyone.